everybody, getting ready to do lesson 1.4 part 2 pre-algebra math today, homework lesson. And 1.4 part 2, you got 40 points on your homework sheet. Comparing and ordering integers, part 2. And let's get right into it here. Page 1 of part 2, evaluate the expression when x equals -8. So evaluate these when x equals -8. 8 points here for page 1. Page 2, you got a word problem here, underwater cities, and then you have a table. And okay, so page 2, you just have this display here for the table. And then A, write an integer to represent each elevation in the table. So write an integer for that. And then B, graph the integers on a number line. So do your graphing here, students, on a number line for each one of these elevations in the table. You got 8 points here for page 3. Page 4, C, identify the site whose deepest point is farthest from sea level. So identify the site whose deepest part is from sea level. D, the elevation modern-day Greek city of Polonia is 1 meter above sea level. Is Polonia closer to or farther from sea level than the deepest point of the ruins of Heliki? So 8 points here for page 4. And describe your response here to D in this box. 8 points, page 4. Page 5, writing. Explain why the absolute value of 0 is 0. So explain means to write a response for that. Not one word, but write a full response. And then 53, you got a table. Okay, so this is a table here. And then A, did the temperature increase or decrease from Sunday to Monday from the table? B, did the temperature increase or decrease from Friday to Saturday? So describe that description of increasing or decreasing. And then C, compare which day's high temperature was highest for the week, which was the lowest. So which was the highest temperature of the week and which was the lowest temperature of the week. And so you got 6 points here for page 6. C goes into here. Here's where you respond for C. And then down here for D, describe any periods of 2 or more days during the week when the daily high temperature consistently increased or decreased. So describe means to write a full paragraph here. Any periods 2 or more days during the week when daily high temperature consistently increased or decreased. And you got 6 points here for page 7. And as your 1.4 part 2 homework pre-algebra math, animated PowerPoint math video, AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.